Hi guys, and let's measure blood temperature with the help of this Huawei Watch GT 3. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, make sure that you have worn your watch at least for 10 minutes before measuring and that your watch isn't covered and you're measuring indoors away from any wind, heat or cooling sources. And now let's wake up our watch by simply clicking this digital crown. And let's go in the main menu to find this skin temperature tab. You need to select it by clicking and now click measure. Now we just wait. And as you can see, I have 32.3 degrees, which is quite a good result because normal is between 32 and 34 degrees. All of the results you can find in Huawei Health app, which you can install from Google Play or App Store or official site of Huawei. Let's go in here and in Health tab, let's find skin temperature and here is my result. You can see your results during the day, week or even months. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.